Hola muchachos, what's up everyone? Welcome to A Drive of Europe. My name is Max and this is A Drive of Europe. We are going to go down to Apelviken's campsite. I did a review on that campsite a year ago, and I hope that they are still the same good, awesome campsite as they were last year. And it's a 5-star campsite and it is really good.
I can see the sign of a brighter future. I believe that I will be free. I will dream tonight. I will dream about you. There's a hope in life for us. Every day, every night, I've been dreaming of.
Well, we are going down to Apelviken's campsite with a couple of friends. We're arriving a day ahead because we went over on our vacation and we wanted to get down there right away and start our journey. This is the first stop of our journey down to Spain. So we go from Apelviken's campsite just outside of Varberg, and we're gonna go down to Malmö, then Heldenbossen, which we also visited last year, down to San Sebastian and the mountain just north, just in the north of Spain, and down to Madrid, and finally we are going down to Malaga. So this is a montage of the first trip, first kind of stop on our trip down to Spain, and I'll really hope you enjoy.
Got me feeling like I'm walking on air till I'm fading. I'm so scared of misbehaving. I'm laying low. Got me drowning. Feel like running away, but I'm staying. I need your love and not a haven. No one-man show. 'Cause when I dance, get nobody on the floor. You move me to my core. 'Cause when I feel like nobody, like nobody. You got me feeling good, like I'm drowning in your love. You got me feeling good, knock on wood. Had me wondering, putting up a charade, I was stumbling. I need your love, gonna cave in, just so you know. 'Cause when I dance, get nobody on the floor. You move me to my core. 'Cause when I feel like nobody, like nobody. You got me feeling good, like I'm drowning in your love. You got me feeling good, knock on wood. You got me feeling hurt, like I'm trembling from your touch. You got me feeling hurt, knock on wood. You got me feeling